In this video, we are camping at Lake Livingston in Livingston, Texas. We'll talk about some of the amenities and do a quick tour, so stay tuned. So our campsite was on Pine Oak Loop, campsite number 102. And this is a really nice site. It's large, it's very private. The concrete slab, it's just, to me, is one of the best campsites in the park.
The thing that I liked about it the most was that we didn't have anybody on one side of us, and so it seemed like you didn't hear anybody. It was just really private. Eddie was here. Goodness, that was a real pee. You are here. Boardwalk trail, and it goes that way. There's the duck pond. We are?
Yeah.
That's nice.
So the trail we want, we start up by the archery range.
Okay.
We're on this trail, following the road.
We don't want to do that.